Today I'll be showing you how to clean and lube your membrane keyboard. I started by pulling off all of the keycaps. I put all of the keycaps in a bowl. Then I took out the stabilizers with tweezers that I got from an iFixit kit. I put all of the stabilizers in a shot glass. Then I mixed dish soap and water and used that to clean out the keyboard using Q-tips as a brush. For each key, I went around the key and then I went around the inside area with the soapy water. Then I used a paper towel to wipe the water off. Then I wiped off the stabilizers. The rest of this video will be about how to lube the keyboard, so if you're not interested in that, just skip or something. For lube, I will be using dielectric grease. Now we're going to be assembling and lubing the rest of the keyboard. For the keys to lube them, I will go around the little area in the middle that goes into the membrane, and I'll go put the thing inside too.
Hiding both face and mind.
And that's it. So I'll give you a sound test after now. I'd like to inform you of a little update. I got merch at 31 subscribers. To go buy my merch, going over to my store-bb989c.creator-spring.com. Guess who didn't want to pay for the correct to get a better domain? Or the link will be in the description. I think you'll like the I have COVID face mask, or also the $1,000 shirt. We also have the hashtag 31 subs yay series. So go ahead and order that and stuff. Only 6% of you are subscribed, so I could just change that with inspect. No. 0% of you are subscribed, so make sure to subscribed. People are being unsubscribed, so subscribe now.